Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. I am Steve from Deep Story English. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Click to bell icon, select to all, and my video notification. Let's start it. Let's go. This video all about an iconic story. Let's go. The story named The Lion and the Mouse. Okay, started. A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paw. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly, and in hair fight under the haste to get way, run across in the lion's noise, roused from his nap. The lion laid his hug paw angrily in the tiny creature to kill her. Spare me, behind the poor mouse. Please let me go on some day. I will surely repay you. The lion was much amused to think that a mouse could ever help him, but he was generous and finally led to mouse go. Some day later, while stalking his prey in the forest, the lion was caught in the toll of a hunter's net. Unable to free himself, he filled the forest with his angry roaring. The mouse now little voice and quickly found in the lion, surely in the net, running to one of the great rope that bound him. She gunward it until it parted, and soon the lion was free. You lurched when I said I won't repay you, said the mouse. Now you see that even a mouse can help a lion. A kindness is never wasted. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.